guys, welcome back to my channel. Look, what have I got? This is a Suzuki Hayabusa 2025 model and I am here at Quaka. This is a branch of Ceramic Pro where you can get your luxury bikes and cars coated for PPF, and the ceramic coating, everything is done over here. This bike arrived in Bangalore and it was shipped from Bangalore to Hyderabad through transportation because the owner resides in Hyderabad. So I am here to cover the unboxing of this motorcycle. I will also introduce you guys to the owner as well. And this motorcycle is a 2025 variant. You can see the packaging date, it states 21st March 2025. I am going to reveal everything in this video, so you don't want to miss any part of this video, and hence let's get started with the video. The PDI is done for the motorcycle, and you can see the windshield is installed, the rear view mirrors are installed. The customer has also got the frame sliders and radiator grille is installed. Fork protectors are installed. They have removed the front number plate, and also the sari guard for this bike has been removed. It also has a engine casing protector. This is a very high quality protector. And these bar ends were also not there. Even these are installed after the bike was unboxed. The battery is installed, the fuel is there. It's just that we need to crank this motorcycle and it is all set. The mighty Suzuki Hayabusa. Let me give you some spec sheet run about this motorcycle. It's a 1300cc inline 4 producing 190 bhp and 150 newton meters of torque. This is the ultimate Dhoom bike which everyone dreams of. And this is the 2025 variant. The 2024 variant used to come with the blue accents but white color paint scheme, but this has the silver paint scheme, and this is special for the 2025 edition. And also this motorcycle gets black alloy wheels. Usually the overseas bike gets the blue alloy wheels, whereas in India we get the black color one. And you can see the cockpit, it looks like a proper fighter jet cockpit. This is the only super bike which still gets the analog dial. All the other bikes get the digital meter, but this bike gets the analog one. And you can see these control modules. This is the cruise control button, the starter switch and the kill switch. And it also gets a hydraulic clutch because Hayabusa runs on a hydraulic clutch. So this was all about Suzuki Hayabusa, and we are putting petrol inside this bike. And after that we will give the first crank of this motorcycle. And this bike gets Bridgestone Batlax 190 section tire. The same tire is being used in the front, only that the size is different. It has 120 section up front, and it also has Brembo braking all around. The top of the line Brembo brakes. Even the master cylinder is from Brembo. The rear caliper is also from Brembo. And it has sintered brake pads in the rear. You can see the golden color over there. And these exhausts, man, it looks insane on the Hayabusa. Odometer reading states 0 kilometers. We are just keeping it at idle so that the engine gets a little warm, and then we will give it a rev. So as you saw, the PDI and everything is done. I have the proud owner of this motorcycle. He is Mr. Samrat. So Samrat is taking the delivery of this motorcycle, and I want to ask few questions to him about his journey about super bikes and why did he choose this motorcycle. So Samrat, please tell us about the journey that you have had with super bikes and why did you go for this motorcycle, why not any other super bike?
This motorcycle doesn't need any introduction, so as the riders. So I mean, this is the vehicle, I think the first super bike, I feel it is made for India.
Yeah.
It's kind of Indian road, as I said, in 5th, 6th gear you can go to 40, 240, it's up to you.
Yes.
And I like the aerodynamics of the vehicle, so as the size and everything, and I feel it is a very smooth vehicle one can start with.
Yes.
I mean, definitely maybe after 660 or they need to ride and go ahead to 1000 and 1000 plus cc's. So I think the best part is about the vehicle is, I feel this is the Indian superbike.
Yeah, definitely.
I can name like that.
No one needs an introduction of this motorcycle.
That is what.
You talk about Doom motorcycle, it's the Suzuki Hayabusa.
Right.
And I also want to know about the journey that you had with super bikes. What all bikes have you owned in the past?
I own many, counting like inline 4s, V4s, engine type. Like we used to change a lot of superbike because you get tired with one superbike, right?
Yeah.
You like 1000cc, 600, but I started with 150cc R15. Then it all goes and on and on. Same Busa, Gen 2, Gen 1. I started from 2000, what? 11, 9 to 11.
It's been almost 15 years that you are with bikes.
Yeah, and from the beginning, I'll say the last is Hayabusa and it's always be a Hayabusa.
And prior to this also, you owned a second gen Hayabusa, right? And even after owning a second gen Hayabusa, he was so passionate to get this motorcycle that he wants to get his hands on the third generation of Hayabusa. So congratulations, Samrat. What a lovely motorcycle.
Thank you so
much.
Would
definitely love to see this bike on our weekend rides with the Motorplex Hyderabad group.
Sure.
Again,
thank you.
Congratulations once again. That was Samrat, the proud owner of this motorcycle. And now this bike is going to go out of the showroom and you will see the running shots. And let me know, what did you think? What do you feel about this unboxing video? With that, I will sign off from this video and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.